total 9 items here, so n will be 9 plus 1 upon 2th item. Now this is 5th item. Now here you have to find out which is the 5th item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be known as median. 5th item, that is 25. Clear? So this way, in the case of individual series, apply this formula. After arranging the data, apply the formula, find out the item and then locate the item, and that will be the median. 5th will not be the median, but 5th item will be the median. Right? Now this is the case what I have taken when odd number of figures are given. Odd means total number is 9, that is not even number, that is odd number, and then you get the item, 5th item. Now when serial number is even, that means either the figures are given that are either 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So when the even number is given, then how to calculate median, this I will explain you with the help of an example. Now here the data is given, this is 10, 12, 16, 17 and so on. These total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total are 10 figures here. Here it were 9 only. Here the total number of items are 10. Now what to do? When they are 10 in number, then you cannot locate at the central position or central value, because you cannot divide it into two equal parts. So in this way, here m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th item. This is the arranged data, so I have not changed the data again. This is already arranged in the ascending order. Second step, apply the formula, n plus 1 upon 2th item. What is n over here? N is 10, right? So it is 10 plus 1 upon 2th item, right? Now 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 upon 2th item. Now 11 upon 2th item means 5.5th item. Now you have to find out what is 5.5th item. Here it was very clear, it was 5th item, so you could easily locate it. Here it is 5.5th item. What does it mean? That is value of 5th and 6th items. That means in between 5th and 6th there is median, because it is 5.5. It is neither 5 nor 6, it is 5.5. So it is in between. In between of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 and 6th item. In between these two values there is median. But you have to find out what is the actual value. Because it is more than 18, it is less than 22. Now how to find it? M is equal to, now 5th and 6th item divided by 2. This is 18 plus 22 upon 2. This will give you 5.5th item, and this will be 40 upon 2, that is 20 is the median in this case, in between these two values, right? So in the case of odd numbers, it is easy to locate after finding out the item. In the case of even number, you have to add up two values and then divide it by 2 and get the median. Clear? So in this case, in the case of individual series, it is very easy to calculate median after arranging the data in either ascending or descending order and applying the formula, and you will get the correct value of median. Now after learning about individual series, we will see how the median is calculated in the case of discrete series. Now in the case of discrete series, these are the steps what you are supposed to follow for calculation of median. First is arrange data into ascending or either ascending or descending order, right? So you have to arrange the data either ascending or descending order. This is the first step in the case of median. Second, convert simple frequency into cumulative frequencies. As I told you, in the case of discrete series, frequency is given, and you are very well aware of the term frequency. That means how many times a particular item appears in the series. So when the frequency is given, this frequency is known as simple frequency. Simple frequency is given along with the item, and you have to convert this simple frequency into cumulative frequencies. Okay, and this cumulative frequencies also we have done earlier, and you know how to convert it. Determine n plus 1 upon tth item of the series, and here n is equal to sigma f, because frequency is given, so n will be sigma f. Find the median value corresponding to n plus 1 upon tth item. So these are the steps. Now with the help of an example, this will be clear to you how to calculate median in the case of discrete series. Now this is the example I have taken, two examples I have taken here. First is find the median of the given series. Now series are given here, marks along with the frequency. Marks are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Frequency 14, 60, 40, 30, 35 and 10. Now here, as you have to see this first marks column, whether it is already arranged in any order, that is ascending or descending order, or you have to arrange it. This you have to find out first. Here you see that data is already arranged in the ascending order 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you need not change the system and you need not alter the distribution of series. Now see what is the way to find out the median. First you will copy down the data, first column marks in the same order, frequency in the same order you will copy down. Now as I told you earlier, second step is convert the simple frequency into cumulative frequency. So this frequency given, which is given over here, this is simple frequency, and you have to convert the simple frequency into cumulative frequency, right? Now how will you convert it? First is 14, 14, 14 plus 60 is 74, this plus this 114, convert it into cumulative frequency, right? And this last figure will be the same as the total of this, because you have added up the frequency. Cumulative frequency means added frequency. So this will be 189 here, and if you add up here, this will be 189. But this step is needed because you have to find out the median with the help of cumulative frequency. Now see the next step, m is equal to n plus 1 upon tth item. Now what is n here? As I told you, n is sigma f, or total number of items, and n is sigma f, that is 189 plus 1 upon tth item. So in place of n you will write down 189, apply the formula 189 plus 1 upon tth item, that is 95th item, right? Now what is the next step? Where is the 95th item? You cannot find out anywhere here. 95 is nowhere, but here you will locate the value 95. It lies here in between this, because it is more than 74 and it is less than 114. It is somewhere in between, and you have to find out 95th item's value, that will be median, and you know that 95 is lying in between these two. So it is more than 74, so you will not include this. It is in between this figure 95, so you will take this value of cumulative frequency, in front of this whatever is the value given in the marks column, this will be the median. I think you have followed it. I'll make it more clear to you now. First you will copy down marks column, second frequency, calculate cumulative frequency, apply the formula, n will be sigma f 189 plus 1 upon 2th item, then you get the value 95th item. Now to locate 95th item you will find out the value over here, cumulative frequency. 95th is more than 74 and it is less than 114, so it is hidden somewhere in between this figure 114 because it is more than 74. So it is somewhere in between 114. So this 95th item is here, and in front of this whatever you get here, this will be considered as median or the central value, right? Okay, now we will take another example here. This is another example in the form of discrete series. Daily wages in rupees and number of workers, this is the given data to you, and out of this given data you are supposed to calculate median. Now daily wages are 100, 50, 70, 110 and 80, and this is number of workers. That means 15 are getting this much, 20 are getting this much wages, 15 are getting this much, 18 this much and 12 this much, right? Now at a glance you will see that here the wages are not arranged in a proper order. So what will be the first step? First you will arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. Here when you are making the wages column, arrange in the ascending or descending order. Here it is in the ascending order. Lowest one is 50, second is 70, then third is 80, then 100 and then 110. So arrange in the ascending order, and the frequency whatever is in front of 50, same you will write down here. Whatever is in front of 70 you will write down here. This you will not arrange at all. Frequency will not arrange. You will arrange the wages given in rupees. So arrange the wages, and in front of that, because 50 rupees are 20 people are getting 50 rupees. So here it will say 50 and 20 is the frequency. You will not change the frequency column at all. Remember this. You have to arrange the data only the wages column, right? It is X column, you can say this is also known as X column, and this is F column. F is frequency. So this you will never arrange, only you will arrange it in the form of arrangement done over here. In front of this whatever frequency is given, then like this you write down here. Do not arrange it in ascending or descending order. Arrange only wages, that is X column. Now third step is calculate CF. Here again you will calculate CF. This is 20, then 15 like this, and again 80 is the total, 80 is the total here, right? You will arrange the cumulative frequency. After this you have to apply the formula. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th item. This is the regular formula for individual series as well as discrete series. Now what is n over here? That is 80. 80 plus 1 upon 2th item, that is 40.5th item. Now here again, where is 40.5th item in the CF column? This is inside this figure. It is more than 35. 40.5 is more than 35, so it is inside this 47, right? So in front of this whatever is the value in the X column, that will be median. So 40.5th item is 80, that will be the median. Isn't it simple? So this way, when you learn the formula and learn the steps properly, if you are aware of the steps means you have to follow in the same order. First arrange the data in the ascending or descending order, then find out the cumulative frequency in the case of discrete series, and then apply the formula, correct formula, and then you will get the median if you follow the steps properly, right. So, these are two methods. Now, the third one is calculation of median in the continuous series.